Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix pause problem in iOS beta update. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to install or download any iOS beta update, but you're facing the issue that your update has been paused, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be a network issue. The very first thing you have to go to settings and just make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Or you can also try to connect with a different network connection, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app and go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, just go to the software update section and you have to note this update size from here. So once I've noted the update size, just go back, go to iPhone storage, and I recommend you how to try to free 5 GB more than iOS update size. So once you have freed up your space, you have to go back and just retry, or you can, if your download or if your software update has been stuck, so you have to go to your iPhone storage section, go to the search option and simply search for iOS. You will find your update here. Just tap on this and then tap on delete update. Then tap on delete option again. So it will completely delete your previous downloaded update. So once you have deleted your update, you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone, or you can also try to reset your network settings. Go to general. Here, go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset and select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with the iPhone network, it will be fixed in this app and you will not get the issue again. So after resetting your network settings, just make a force restart with your iPhone before you retry. Now to do this, just quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to open your settings app. Just go to general. Very first, have to connect with the network if it's not connected. So after connecting your network, just go back and go to software update and just restart your software update. And once I've restarted, you will not get any issue anymore. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.